In the following, we will provide extraordinary information and about the experiences of farmers in Aceh, especially in the food sector, which is the most ideal way to plant rice in the fields. Is an activity of the Acehnese people in planting rice. They use it manually, not using machine tools. Try to watch them by lining up, they plant rice. Most Acehnese people cultivate rice on average because Aceh is the largest rice barn in the authenticity of rice yield. S is very satisfactory, and 1 hectare of land can produce 4 tons of rice grain.